Hello everybody, I will be sharing with you how I make my 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner. My first ingredient was half cup of water, then I'm going to add in chopped aloe vera gel, then I am going to add in fresh rosemary, and I am also going to add in 1 tablespoon of bulgur wheat and 1 tablespoon of flax seeds and 1 tablespoon of clove powder. I am going to let the ingredients boil for 5 to 10 minutes, and after that I will let it cool down, and when it's cool then I'm going to strain it. So as you can see, this particular DIY is looking much thicker because I am going to use these ingredients about 2 different times. That's why it's looking like that. So you can just leave this DIY that you're looking at right now, leave it like that and just apply it on your hair, or you can add in a plain Greek yogurt to make a thicker hair mask. I would recommend you leave this product in your hair for like 30 minutes before rinsing it out. The purpose of this DIY is to stop hair fall, straighten your hair, regrow your natural hair, plus promote healthy hair growth and helping with clean scalp. Alright beauties, I am going to be doing a tips of the day in my videos. So today tips is don't forget to work in sections while using product or detangling your natural hair. So after I was done making my DIY hair mask, now it's time to make my DIY shampoo. I took that same ingredients and put it in the pot and let it boil for about 5 minutes. Then I let it cool down before screening it. I add in one of my favorite shampoo and mix up that ingredients together and just put it in an applicator bottle. Alright, this is what I really like about this DIY shampoo. It's very gentle but powerful in cleaning the scalp. And don't forget to remove those knots and tangle from your hair. You can either braid your hair before rinsing well with warm water. Then you can use your DIY shampoo